Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ida, and today I'm going to be doing a twist and curl tutorial. So I am starting off with freshly washed hair, and I do have some leave-in conditioner in my hair already, and that is the Curl Junkie Smoothing Lotion. Once I go ahead and detangle my hair with my fingers, I'm going to apply the True by Made Beautiful Hydrating Hair Butter. And I always make sure to add a little bit more product on the ends just to make sure that when I take out my hairstyle, the ends are smooth and fully hydrated as well. So I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair, and I'm going to brush out the ends with a denim brush. And then I'm going to go ahead, take a perm rod and leave about a quarter of my hair untwisted, and then I'm going to roll my hair up. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing throughout my whole entire head, and altogether I think I had about 20 twists. I tried to apply enough product on my hair so that my hair is fully hydrated for at least another 3 to 4 days, but if I do get extra product, I always make sure to apply that on my roots or something like that, because I definitely don't want to waste any product. You know how expensive these hair products can get. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. This is my first time actually doing this hairstyle, so I hope it turns out good. And I did a really deep side part, so I have a lot more twists on this side than I do this side. So I'm gonna see how that works out, because I usually part in the middle and then later on I actually move my hair all to one side. So I'm gonna take about a day and a half to 2 days to dry. It's probably gonna take 2 full days if I air dry. And I do get better results when I air dry rather than sitting underneath the hooded dryer. So we'll see how that goes. So I'll see you guys when I take them all out. I just kind of slept in this, and I let my hair air dry for about 2 days now. And usually if I don't have 2 days to air dry, I'll sit underneath the hair dryer, but in this case it was Easter long weekend and I just went to my parents' house looking like this. And so usually, like, if I'm busy, then clearly I won't be able to walk around looking like this. I don't go all the way up to the top when I do the perm rods because it's just so much shrinkage, and sometimes I don't really mind shrinkage because I usually get a lot more volume that way. But I don't know, when I do some protective styles, sometimes I just want to show a little bit of length, you know? I love trying out different protective styles during the winter just because it's so humid where I am in the summer, and these styles will definitely not even hold up for even 5 minutes. So usually in the summer I'll just do like a whole bunch of wash and goes. It really works out because honestly it takes so much practice with all these hairstyles to actually perfect, you know? So it gives me quite a few months to keep on trying. So I just use a little bit of oil. So I actually have some avocado oil. Avocado oil for me is the heaviest I can go if I don't have much product in my hair. So this oil will help prevent or minimize the frizz when I take these out. Okay, so I usually just twist in the opposite direction to take out the actual twists. And wow, it's looking pretty cool. And then I pull my hair down, and you can see kind of when it springs back up, you can see that it's already kind of separating. So then I slowly separate and try to find where it naturally kind of wants to separate so that this also minimizes the frizz. Okay, so this is what my hair ended up looking like. All I did was I just finished untwisting everything, and I didn't really separate too much just because I want to keep a little bit of definition. I want to keep this hairstyle for at least 2 more days before I throw it up in a ponytail or something and retwist it. I really didn't backcomb it too much. I just basically moved everything over to the front so I can get like some front bangs. And I noticed that like there was more twist on this side when I originally did it than this side, and I actually do like this side better. This actually reminds me of doing that twisted Bantu knot, where I twisted my hair and then I put it in a Bantu knot. I have a video on that. The only difference was I think that my hair was a bit more shrunken up because the Bantu knot twisted all the way up to the roots, and with the perm rods it just kind of used the ends. So Yeah, so it's really cute little fro style, I would say, and I really like it. I can't wait till my hair gets a bit longer so my fro gets bigger. I noticed on this side like the ends look a little scraggly, and I think it's because I used too big of sections, I think. I don't know. I could tell this side is a bit more bouncy and curly towards the end. So I think you definitely do have to be a bit more careful too when you're wrapping the ends, just to make sure that it's like nice and smooth. My hair feels super soft, super moisturized. What do you guys think? I hope that you guys like the results.